Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will start in Settings so you can change privacy behavior immediately. Tap Settings, then either scroll to your browser or enter Privacy in the search bar to jump there. Make sure you're on the account you want to adjust. This matters because private mode settings can be per profile. Once done, look for a section labeled Browser, Safari, Chrome, or Privacy. This is where the toggle lives. Doing this first saves time and prevents you from toggling the wrong profile or app later. Now you will enable private browsing so your local history and cookies are limited. Open the chosen browser settings and locate the setting named Private Browsing, Incognito, or Private Tabs, then flip the switch. If the option is nested, tap Advanced or Site Settings to reveal it. You do this to stop sites from being saved locally and to reduce tracking between sessions. Make sure to read any brief prompt explaining limitations, and then close and reopen the browser if the change does not appear immediately. Finish by confirming private browsing works. Open a new private or incognito tab and browse briefly, then close the tab and check history. There should be no record. Make sure cookies and cache are cleared between tests to avoid false positives. If private mode won't stay on, check that you're not in a restricted user profile, that parental controls or enterprise policies aren't forcing regular browsing, and update the browser app. One key troubleshooting tip: disable any extension or content blocker temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.